how to change Instagram call ringtone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Instagram call ringtone. For that, you'll need to open up your settings and then scroll down and tap on notifications. Now, scroll down and search for Instagram in all these apps. Tap on Instagram and first make sure you have toggled on allow notifications. And then you will see sounds option, toggle it on. You will need to come back and then you will need to go to sounds and haptics, and then you'll need to change the ringtone of your phone itself. So tap on ringtone. And now here you'll find various ringtones and just tap on it and you'll get a preview of the ringtone and you can choose the one you like. So if you want to change your Instagram ringtone, then you'll have to change your phone's default ringtone as well. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.